What if one of the most iconic Mercedes cars ever made came back in 2026? Today we're taking a look at the stunning 2026 Mercedes-Benz W123 concept, blending timeless luxury with modern technology. Let's see what makes this classic-inspired sedan so special. Classic design meets modern style. The 2026 W123 keeps the legendary, boxy shape that made the original famous. It features a bold chrome grille, elegant LED headlights, premium alloy wheels, and a sleek luxury appearance that pays tribute to the classic model while feeling completely modern. Powerful performance. Under the hood, the new W123 is expected to offer efficient, turbocharged engines and possibly a hybrid powertrain. Mercedes aims to deliver smooth acceleration, impressive fuel economy, and the refined driving experience the brand is known for. Luxury interior. Inside, the cabin combines vintage inspiration with cutting-edge technology. Drivers can enjoy a large digital display, premium leather seats, ambient lighting, wireless connectivity, and advanced comfort features for every journey. Advanced safety features. Mercedes continues its tradition of innovation with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, 360-degree cameras, and the latest driver assistance systems. Pricing and release. Although Mercedes has not officially confirmed production, enthusiasts expect a starting price around $55,000 to $70,000 if such a model reaches the market. The concept has already generated excitement among classic car fans worldwide. Conclusion. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz W123 could be the perfect blend of heritage and innovation. Would you buy this modern version of a legendary classic? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive content.